just about to go into the echo, change some settings in here. Going to be doing some W style mixing of this when I record. So one thing I need to do is I definitely need to put in some sort of compression and limiting on the echo. I always forget to do that. So let's go into the Ableton stocks and let's take a compressor. Whack on a limiter just to be super safe on the end here, and now I'm going to mess around with crazy feedback and make sure I can keep it in check. Yeah, this would be super loud if I didn't have this chain. I think I'm going to leave it at that. And I think I'm going to let everything play at once, and I'm going to actually, apart from the boucle, that I'm going to mute. That should be this one right here. Yes, because that's got automation on the volume fader, so I want that to stay there. And actually, does it? Hold on. I recorded automation on this. Oh well. Not to worry. I'll just do it all live then. So I can pull this down, pull this down. Let me see. Pull this down. Yeah, that's sort of the main thing, the field recordings. All right, so let me just save this right now. And once that's saved, we'll just get going. Let's just record a nice little performance of this. All right, here we go. there we go. Nice. Okay, so make sure to save that. And that's it. That's my little imaginary soundtrack for the day. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Please leave a comment, because I really do love to read everything that you guys are thinking. And if possible, if there's something specific in the video that you're commenting about, please leave a timestamp in order for myself and everyone else to know what exactly you're talking about. And that way we can all converse together on these various topics. Thanks again for watching. It really means a lot. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Peace.